Hello guys, good morning. So it's quite early, 8:30 a.m. And today, so every time I do purchase a pre-owned vehicle like this one, we're gonna do a heavy PMS because the mileage in Filipino standards, guys, is quite high. Pero if you go to the States or Europe, pag state-to-state driving ka, mababang mileage na to. This is like 40,000 miles lang equivalent. And I did disable iStop. Ipa-press natin. I don't like iStop, guys. So off natin yan. So anyway, as you watched the last video, the pre-inspection video natin for the CX-5, everything is okay naman in terms of battery, the aircon, fluids and stuff. But of course, the last PMS dito it was in Mazda Alabang. I think it was exactly 1 year, so 55,000 kilometers. So it's time to change the fluid. So we're gonna go to this shop. Sige, let's exit the parking muna while I'm talking. So we're gonna go to this shop called Monworks. It's here in Taguig City. They specialize in Mazda vehicles, older Mazda vehicles to the Skyactiv engine vehicles. So we're gonna go there. FB ko lang nahanap, sa Facebook lang, guys. So I messaged them. You have to schedule up, before you go to their shop kasi nga laging may client. So depende on what they're gonna do, what kind of work. So this one, ang sinabi ko, change all the filters. So air, oil, cabin filter. Change, of course, the oil, engine oil. I think they use Totachi oil, 5W30. That's what they use. Then change ATF, transmission fluid. So Mazda ATF FZ for the Skyactiv engines. For the later models, I think it was different. But this one, we're gonna use Mazda ATF FZ. Tapos I did research also. Might as well change the differential oil. A lot of people don't change differential oil, guys. But you should. It's better. Mura lang naman ang gear oil. And this one will only take less than a liter of gear oil. So, if I were you guys, kung medyo, ganitong mileage, palitan nyo na ang gear oil. Tapos, papacheck ko na rin yung condition ng brake fluid. And siguro sa coolant also levels. And whatever they check, kasi they do a really thorough check of the car. So they do a very thorough check of the vehicle. So whatever recommendations, we'll listen and check kung magkano. So anyway, going outside the parking. And lalagay ko naman yung prices, guys. Lalagay ko yung presyo ng mga what do you call this? Gastos. Para if you do have a Mazda, alam niyo na kung magkano yung gastos, diba? So see you guys in a bit. It's raining. Rainy season ah. So, papalitan yung brake pads, rear and front. Yeah. And dampers. Yung dampers. Pero parang na-feeling ko nga yung dampers kailangan palitan. Yan.
Mazda PY, yung part number pagka 2.5 liters. Okay, may mga part number kasi. Yung dry water pump belt mo naman siya. So mapapansin mo, ang part number niya PY. Tapos ang ikakabit natin, same as
the
kung ano yung ayan, PY 1509 8, diba? Tapos, kung ano yung lalagay natin, kung ayan ang kulay niya, ito rin yan. Pero, difference niyan, ito, nag-expand na.
Oo, tama. Mag-expand naman yung pag
ito, naninilaw na rin siya. Doon pa lang, mapapansin na namin na luma siya.
Ano siya? Original ba yan?
Genuine din
They
po
never
ito.
replaced it, no?
Yes, dito.
Kakabili ko lang
pinalitan yung dry belt,
Ah.
means di rin ito pinalitan, sir.
Malamang ito, hindi na. Puro
Hindi pa rin,
original
sir.
to
Kaya
eh.
tinanggal ko yung boot para makita mo actual.
Sabi ko, naghanap ako sa FB, ano yung malapit na sa BGC kasi ako.
Okay.
Hanap ako ng Mazda specialist. Nag-message ako, medyo na-delay na konti. So, sabi ko, buti na lang open kayo today.
Original.
Dumi na yung oil, no, kuya?
Sir, black na. Yan, sir. Ito.
5W30 ba?
Yes,
kuya?
po. Ito.
Fully
Fully center.
Tutachi.
Tutachi. Japan.
Oh, first time ako gumamit ng ito.
Maganda po, sir.
Tutachi.
Yes, isa lang yan.
I think yung older Sky SG1, no? Yung mga older
Yes, po.
Mazda
Pero
model.
dito hindi ginamit yun eh.
SG1.
Hindi naglabas sila
hindi
ng SG1 dito talaga. Kahit sa kasa.
Parang sa US lang yata,
Ibibigay
Europe.
sa'yo, ito.
Yan,
Yes
okay.
po. Kaya ito lang din ang supply namin. Yung debris. Ang kapal na.
Oo nga, no?
Yan.
Linisin na yun,
Yes po,
mag-
linisin.
magnet. Gasket palit, no?
Yes po. Kasama yan sa package ng
Galing yun, bilis ah. Ang gulat ako.
Dito, kabisado kasi yun, sir.
Oo nga, puro Mazda talaga.
Mazda specialist.
Malinis-linis pa, pero sa mileage, kailangan palitan na rin, no? Gear oil differential. Front and back pala yan.
Ito sir.
Saan yung front
Ito
niya?
yung maliit na transfer case, sir.
Sir.
Ito pa, ito,
transfer
maliit.
case.
So, ito yung transmission side,
Tama.
ito yung transfer case. Maliit lang din siya. Parang
Maliit lang
ganun lang
pala.
din yung lakit, yes.
Okay.
Iba niyan, sir, sunog na. Pagka nag-drain kami, sunog na, kulay black na. Hindi nyo
So,
naman
sobrang tagal.
Hindi manalaga. Every year, balikan siya.
Pero yung oil search talaga is neglect
Yes,
lang
so,
talaga yung change oil, no?
Hindi nag-change oil. Once a year,
Parang common yun sa ibang bansa.
pero
Common.
dito, commonly sa ganito, kahit na mag 1 year yung mga client namin, nagbukas namin ng blood cover. Pero hindi na namin pinapanggalan. Yung iba lang talagang late sila mag-complete.
May ano siya? May engine cover ba to?
Yes, sir.
Meron. Ito. Pero ano siya? Metal or? Plastic. Pero may metal na ganyan, no?
May nabibili po kay Sir Nico.
Kay Mixstore, no? Siguro palitan ko yan.
Ang hindi, ano lang doon, pros and con. Pag na, tamaan mo yung bato, rinig mo.
Okay. Yeah. Kasi
Saka yung
metal.
weight, mas mabigat yon compared dito na plastic.
So, what do you think?
Much better. Sa akin
Mas
na.
better plastic. Tama, no? Pag ano.
ka sa mga gravel,
Unless nag-off-road ka or,
Yes.
di ba? Pero kung ano.
Ito lang. Kasi mapapansin mo naman yun, sir. Tsaka yun nga, mabigat yun.
Ayos. Good. Ito yung automatic transmission fluid. Pang Sky Active. FZ. AC Delco pa lang spark plugs ito. Attach. And gear oil. Transmission filter. Ay, so, ang bilis na, no? Galing. Yun guys, so meron silang parang, like a place to relax and sit. May coffee pa, may TV, naka-aircon, meron pang pang, like me, I have asthma. This is perfect, guys. Malamig. You can relax here while waiting for your car. Nalagyan mo na pala yung belt, no? Bagong belt.
Yep.
Sakto 4 liters ako na.
Yes.
Sakto. Ayun. Yung manipis siya guys. Oh. Actually, sobrang nipis na. Compared to the new ones. These are OEM Mazda brake pads. Ito manipis na talaga. Pero when I use the car naman, hindi naman siya nag-squeal. Pero of course, malalaman mo lang yan pag tinanggal na talaga. Yung luma ko, ano na?
Ito na po. Tigas na. Tamag po.
Dirty filters na. Kailangan talaga palitan. Boots palit. All the brake pads palit. Belts palit. That's the old ones.
Bomba! 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 Vale. Down. Vale.
Ano bago ba yan? Or... Kasi kakabili ko na rin.
Second hand. Makabago pa yan sir. Kasi nakataas pa yung
Siguro second battery na to. Mas pwede pala. Mahal yung iwaso ba to?
Hindi sir, iwan. Ano yung stock ba boss?
Ay, iwaso siya. Ang mahal yun eh.
Ito naman.
Ito sir yung right. Tapos ito naman yung
Trunk light.
trunk light.
Teng.
Target light.
Parang ito nakababilis itong shop na to. Talo nyo pa kasa eh. Kasa change oil, parang 3 hours. Okay guys, Wow, ibang klase tong shop na to. I think this is the first shop that I've been to. That's the reason why pala they really schedule for appointment. Dahil, yun guys, wait, anyway, lalabas na tayo. Thank you, Monworks. Thank you, Mon, the owner. Sobrang okay, sobrang dali ko usap, very informative. Basically, he gives recommendations kapag chinek na yung car. Yung mga kailangan mo. Kasi sometimes you can't see what you have to replace it, diba? Especially for people who are not that knowledgeable sa kotse. But anyway, para ba to? Ano muna, Google muna ako. Sandali lang. Okay guys, like I was saying, grabe, ang galing ng Monworks, ang galing ng crew nila. The reason why kailangan ng schedule para tutok na tutok yung kotse mo sa kanila, which I really appreciate. Ang galing. Because I was there around 9:30 a.m. Natapos sila lunchtime, as in on the dot, guys. So, I'm just happy because there's a lot of work, guys. Nandiyan yung receipt actually. So, they did ATF fluid change. This is what I asked for. ATF fluid change, so Mazda ATF FZ, 4 liters, ATF filter, of course, change oil, Totachi 5W30 fully synthetic, 4.5 liters, replace oil filter, air filter, and cabin filter. Madumi na guys, as you can see in the video. Tapos, ano pa? Yeah, that's what I asked for, guys. Pero sa recommendations, because of course, chinek yung car, kailangan talaga palitan yung brake pads. So, they only use original brake pads, which I prefer para tumagal. And it's OEM fit, diba? So, front and rear brake pads. Flush brake fluid also. Nag-flush rin tayo ng brake fluid. Tapos, yeah, brake fluid DOT3 ang brake fluid niya. Mazda, from Mazda. Tapos, what else? Okay. Kasi nagdadrive ako guys while I'm vlogging. But yeah, coolant top up. They check kung may leaks underneath. Walang leaks. Ayun, importante. Yung differential oil, transfer case oil. That a lot of people don't seem to, sometimes you don't know na pala na kailangan mo palitan yung, differential and transfer case oil. So nagpalit rin tayo niyan using Motorcraft gear oil. So we replaced that. Of course, when they change the brake fluid, they bleed the system, change the washers. Also, bagong-bago yon for the transmission oil, and also for the drain plugs, palit yon. Tapos, we changed the rear boot rubber boots for the rear shock absorbers kasi luma na, matigas na. Though, yeah, kasi 65k mileage na rin to. What else did they do? Ayan, spark plugs, guys. So replace brand new spark plugs to AC Delco spark plugs. Yes, those are the things that was recommended, and I replaced all that I replaced. Actually, I'll show you the list later, guys. Para if I did forget something, at least alam ko, diba? At least alam nyo. Hindi alam. Alam ko kasi ako nagbayad. But you know the nice thing, guys, I paid total, the total bill was 57,200. Kasama na yung labor cost doon. But Mon was kind enough to give me, Mon Esqueras, the owner of the shop, it's called Monworks. He was kind enough to basically give me a discount. Naging 56 na lang. And I was so happy with the work, and I was so happy with how he, took care of the car and the knowledge he has for Mazda vehicles. That he basically gave the LED bulbs for free. Yun na yung interior bulbs ko, sa plate number, sa trunk, sa visor, and sa dito, sa loob. Libre na yun, basically. And I really appreciate that. So I ordered them food for all of them, for the mechanics there. I think there were like 6 of them working on the car. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. And I'm so happy with this car, guys. Another good buy Though of course this has higher mileage. I had the choice to buy lower mileage Mazda CX-5s, but they weren't as pristine in terms of body and everything in terms of and also the first owner which I bought the car from, it was way easier to deal with than the other ones that I looked at, to be honest with you. That's why, even though the mileage was higher, he had CASA records, so I didn't hesitate to buy the car. Nagpa pre-inspection lang tayo, like in the video before this, diba? So I'm very happy, and now the car is perfect for a road trip to Baguio coming soon, guys. So I'll vlog for you guys going to Baguio with this car, and we'll see how it performs. So I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care. There's gonna be a lot of Mazda CX-5 content. Of course, the Ford Ranger is still there. Unfortunately, the Camry wala na, but it's okay. We have this naman. Now it's perfect rainy season. And hopefully the Camry will come back soon, pero in hybrid form naman. So see you guys. Take care.